First, install the Android build template. Then import the plugin. Make sure to enable these options. After that, add Google Play to your scene and substitute the product IDs. Then connect the signals of it. This is called when the products are ready. This is called when the user buys a product. When the products are ready, I'm going to show them. This is what the user gets after buying a product. This function attempts to buy a product. Now all you have to do is update the version code and release your app on Google Console. Make sure to download the latest version of your app. As you can see, we can buy coins multiple times, but we can only remove ads once.